On December 12, the Catholic Church throughout Canada, the United States, and the entire American continent celebrates the feast of Our Lady of Guadalupe, a powerful reminder that God's mercy reaches every people and culture. The story begins in 1531 near Tepeyac Hill, close to present-day Mexico City. The indigenous peoples of the region were living through profound upheaval and suffering following the Spanish conquest. Into this wounded world, the Virgin Mary appeared not to a powerful leader, but to a humble convert named Juan Diego. Mary spoke to Juan Diego in his native language, addressing him with tenderness and respect. She identified herself as the mother of the true God and asked that a church be built where she could offer comfort, healing, and hope to all who sought her help. When the local bishop requested proof, Mary provided a sign that would echo through history. On December 12, Juan Diego gathered fresh roses blooming out of season and carried them in his tilma. When he unfolded the cloak before the bishop, the flowers fell, revealing a miraculous image of Mary imprinted on the fabric. The image spoke silently but powerfully. God had drawn near, embracing the peoples of the Americas with love. Devotion to Our Lady of Guadalupe spread rapidly. She became a unifying symbol of faith, dignity, and reconciliation. Millions came to know Christ through her maternal witness. Today she is honored as the patroness of the Americas, and her basilica remains one of the most visited pilgrimage sites in the world. For Catholics in North America, her feast is a reminder that the Church is called to welcome diversity while remaining united in Christ. Our Lady of Guadalupe continues to invite believers to trust in God's mercy, defend human dignity, and walk together in faith and charity.